We thought this was a kind of a genre that didn't actually exist in Scandinavia yet. And we wanted to write realistic police stories that also showed how our society was developing. And if we were inspired by someone, it would probably more be by Chandler, Hammett, Simenon, and people who write now in Scandinavia. They write lots of police stories. They always have a commissar in the middle. And this seemed to be inspired by our books. And sometimes I think it's a bit too much. That was the idea from the start, that we wanted a collective and not a hero. And now, of course, they are called the Martin Beck series and so on, but we wanted it to be more realistic and more like it is. I mean, one policeman doesn't work alone, never, ever. Maybe James Bond and so on, but not in reality. I think it's nice to have those conflicts that when people are working in a team, they are different personalities. And of course, there gets conflicts and things, and that's much more interesting to write about and read about, I think. All our characters have a physical model, because it's easier that way. You think about the same kind of person. But we have no policemen as models. One we have, and that's the chief of police. He is real. But we didn't give him a name in the books. He just is called the chief of police, but he's very much like this guy in the books.